I'm gonna sit up.
Nothing too bad. I mean, leave the door open and close it.
Don't close it all the way. Right, so unfortunately there is an alarm going off in here. So hopefully the audio for this video isn't too disrupted by this alarm. What do you see? This building is quite like newly abandoned, is it not? Let's go down.
Yeah, the alarm's been going off in here for like days, I think. We'll go down there later.
Yeah, look how new this looks. There's not even a single bit of mould in here.
The alarm's been going off in here for like days, I think. We'll go down there later.
Yeah, I mean, if you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen we tried to come in the other day. The alarm was going off, and we believe the alarm's still going off from that day.
Look down there, bro. Oh, that's crazy. Right, let's go down here.
Right here?
Yeah, go in there. Oh, it's locked.
Oh shit.
What's in there? I mean, to be fair, it is just a blank classroom.
Because I believe this building used to be an old primary school, and then it got updated into a school for teaching old people how to use technology.
This may have been the science lab. Oh my god.
Please wash your hands. Please wash your hands. This was around in coronavirus. Yeah, this is recently abandoned. Yeah, look, this is what it was. Skilled and adult learning community education. This alarm is mad loud though.
I know it is, fucking hell. I wonder what this room would have been.
They thought I'd be an iPhone or an iPad at one point.
The thing I'm terrified about is just seeing a fucking silhouette in that fucking window.
I'd be terrified if I saw somebody there.
Well, we've got daylight over here.
There's no window outside. Oh, it's this.
That's locked. That looks like it would have been another science room.
Brad, do you reckon I could open this? Shh. That's out there.
It's fine.
No?
We have to go through those doors.
Toilet closed. Use disable. Let's find out. Not very closed if you ask me. Very much open if you ask me.
I don't know if this is open.
Have a look. Twist the top bit as well and the door.
No, that's where it's twisted, that's locked.
Let's find out. Not very close if you ask me.
What the fuck?
Toilet?
Toilets. Hold the door open.
Got it. Logo.
I'm gonna have a look. They're a bit smelly, bro. Someone's dumped a bunch of cloth and stuff in there. Right, we got to go through the alarm now. So, let's go. Better prop the door open with this. This is gonna be so loud, by the way. Jack, come on.
Right, in we go. This is so loud. What the fuck, man? Holy shit.
It's that right there. At least I think it is.
So fucking loud.
It's that right there. At least I think it is.
So fucking loud.
It's locked.
Oh, it's quieter in here. It's quieter in here. Fuck me, that was loud.
these doors are locked.
Go. You okay? Right, Brad, hit them. Come. Hit that.
That's my camera. Shit.
Go.
Shit, go.
I can't, it won't lift. Take a shit.
Where's my camera?
Hit that.
Shit. Go.